This short video will show you how to navigate your administrator console. Once you've activated your account via the email you received, you will come to the sign in page. Here you can download the mobile app and sign in there with your email and password. But there are specific things that as an administrator you only can do via the desktop. So I'm going to show you the desktop application now. So once you've signed in, you'll be taken to a page similar to this. It probably won't have any chats in yet. If you're a standard user, you will see the first three icons here on the left-hand side: chats, media, and calendar. If you're in a role that has the ability to add and remove users, you'll also see the users icon there. If you're an administrator like you will also see the folder, which is the message archive, and the cog, which is settings. So I'm going to focus on the fourth, fifth, and sixth, the last three here. So let's start with users. So you start with manage users, and this allows you to adjust various aspects of each user's the role, restrictions, how their name is shown to other users, and to remove them. You can also do this in bulk, so you can select all or just select some, and then that allows you to do these actions to multiple users at the same time. The first thing you're going to want to do is to invite users to join your community. You can do this by creating an email which automatically sends them joining instructions with the code. So you could copy and paste this, or if you click invite users, it should automatically generate an email from your email host. Or you can just tell people the code manually. Once you've done that, they'll sign up, and then they will appear in the verify users page, and you would just need to click verify. If you're adding a lot of users all at the same time, let us know and we can enable the bulk add function, where you can upload a spreadsheet with people's names and email addresses and roles and do them all at the same time. So that's the users section, and the key thing for you now is the invite users bit. Once people start chatting, you may at some point need to review what's being said in the chats. So this is where you would do it. So the folder icon on the left, and then this is the list of chats. So here's just an example. That's the chat picture. You're actually already a member of this chat, so you could leave it, but you could just join it if you're not already a member. You can pause it, you can close it, and you can see the messages that have been sent and download them if you need to. So that is where you can review messages. So as your organization grows, or your community grows, you get a longer list here of all the chats, not just the ones you're in, it's all the chats in the community. Reports, this is where you would receive a report if a user has flagged some content in your community. That would mean it's hidden from the other users, but flagged up to you here so that you can action it. That's contents that users have received. If a user has sent something that they then want to hide because they sent it before they were ready or they made a mistake or whatever, it's exactly like reporting, but it's users doing it with things they themselves have sent, which hides it from all the other users and flags it up to you here. Blocks is when users in your community have blocked somebody else in the community from starting a chat with them. And they're obviously entitled to do that, but it would be flagged to you here, so you are aware that one user has blocked another, and you can follow it up if needs be. So moving on then, on the left of the screen down to the settings cog. Start with user roles. So when you created your community, you would have created roles at the same time, but this is where you can edit the roles, so edit the permissions on the role or the role name, but also add new roles if you want to. So we can create a role there and say yes, they can add, manage and remove users, and we'll say that they can only communicate with certain. You can enforce MFA if you want to for that role, if it's a senior role, and you can set their active hours if you want to. And there we go, now you've created another role. So that's user roles. Community ID, this is your current community ID. You can reset it, so basically regenerate it and create a new one, or you can turn it off so people can't join your community at all. These are for information, so they just tell you how you can make adjustments to these, but it's a question of contacting us to do it. Community logo, that's where you can set a new logo for your community if you want. Notifications is when you can change the frequency of your notifications as an administrator. Privacy and rules, this is the text that your members see when they join and must agree to if they want to join your community. This is the default text we put in for you, but you can edit it yourself to change it or completely rewrite it if you want to. Handbook will take you to an explanation page of essentially what I'm telling you now for reference, and technical support gives our contact details. Yeah, so I think I'll leave it there, and really if you have any questions or you'd like any help with this, just email us, or you can call us as well following the contact information on our website, which is www.chatpro.co.uk. Thank you very much.